देशभरात शुक्रारा मध्यराती सावन जीएसटी लागू झाला. देशाची अर्थव्यवस्था सुधारपाक एक देश एक कर संकल्पनेक जीएसटी भारत सरकारान लागू केल्या.
देशाची प्रगतीची एक वाट सुरुवात झाली आसा आणि त्यामुळे कोणाकच त्रास जायनासतना व्यवस्थितपणे कर गोळा जावचो आणि त्या कराचो उपयोग सामान्य गरिबापर्यंत पावपाचें हें काम आसा. हो जीएसटी सुरळीतपणे करतलो अशी अपेक्षा दवरून हो कायदो केल्लो आसा. हे कायद्याची सुरवात म्हजेपेक्षा तुमकां चड खबर आसतली की 2003 माने एनडीएचे गव्हर्मेंट आशिल्ले अंडर अटल बिहारी वाजपेयीच्या हाच्या अंडर आनी एक टास्क फोर्स निर्माण केल्लो विजय केरकराच्या अध्यक्षते खाली आणि त्यामुळे गेली 13 वर्सां सतत जीएसटी कशा पद्दतीन वयर हाडप आणि टॅक्साचे सगळे सुटसुटीत कशें करप ह्या पद्दतीन गेली 13 वर्सां हो प्लॅन चलतालो आणि फायनली गेल्या पार्लमेंट सेशनाक सर्वसंमतीन पास जालो आणि त्यामुळे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री सदांच म्हणतात की हो जो कितें आमकां जी काही जैत मेळिल्ली आसा ती फक्त एका पार्टीची ह्या सगळ्या पार्टींनी सगळ्या ऑपोजिशन सगळ्यांनी मिळून देशाचे बरे जावपा खातीर एका सगळ्याक हातभार लायिल्लो आसा आणि त्यामुळे देश फुडें व्हरप हे जितलेच ह्या कायद्या मागचे म्हाका दिसता जे हे आसा ते हेच तातूंतल्यान आमकां निष्पन्न करपाचें आसा.
Today is a historic day in the country. It is the most awaited indirect tax reform since independence. As Mandriji was mentioning, it took almost 17 years to realize this dream. When we talk about the introduction of our launching of GST, yesterday, Honorable Prime Minister and President has launched the GST, the midnight in the Parliament Hall. It has integrated the country economically into one nation, one tax, one market. I think we should see what is the importance of this slogan now. Now, this will be a slogan which is going to transform the country as a whole. GST is not a simple name changer. It is a game changer because if you look at the present indirect taxation regime in the country, there are multiple taxes. GST subsumes mostly 17 taxes into a single tax. We are having general excise duty on the manufacture today. We are having service tax on the services today. There is a VAT on the sales. There is octroi, entertainment tax, like that multiple taxes. Anybody who is dealing in the business know, when you deal with multiple taxes, then you will be dealing with multiple authorities. You have to file multiple returns, you have to engage multiple people to deal with this taxation with various authorities. Everything involves a cost. So when you integrate all these things and subsume into a single tax, the cost of production or the cost of administration itself is coming down.
This Vartala program, Government of India is doing to sensitize journalists across country to happenings of government and its ways and functions, ways and means of working.